How old is my son starting out to cut the grass?
I am 10 and this is only my first time.
Well, he just turned 10 years old. I would have started him at 9, but I was a little bit reluctant about the machines I have over here because I got a lot of diesel cutters. But the Z42 by Yard Force, which is an electric lawnmower, made the experience pretty easy because I could adjust the speed on how fast it moves and how fast the blade actually cuts. So therefore I can watch him before anything would happen. Plus it's easy to turn on and off and just have it to where it's easy to control. Now when you are starting out a younger one and cutting grass, what you want to do is you want to mark an outline. Now what I mean by mark an outline is you want to cut a perimeter and you want to tell him, hey, stay within inside the perimeter and here are your boundaries. You also want to explain to him how to cut pretty much to where it is not overcutting and just riding around, but in a kind of a pattern to where it's going to blow out exhausted grass into an area that was already cut. So those are my tips and tricks today on how to get your kids started on a zero turn mower.